Hey, I'm SAWYER. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together.
A losing streak tests your character, not your system. 3 red trades in a row used to break my focus. Now, when it happens, I stop, no hesitation. I close the chart, breathe, and remind myself, it's statistics. Losses mean nothing if discipline stays intact.
We are opening sell trades here, everything goes with the trend. Remember what I said earlier, you need to read the strategy right. We already had a crossover on the previous candle, and then a small pullback looks exactly. Many traders would buy here after the second cross, but that's a mistake. You should still trade with the main trend.
Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now.
The first crossover was from top to bottom, so we are selling. Last 10 seconds, and yes, the trades close in profit.
I used to think, what if it runs now? I jump in with no signal, just emotion. And of course, loss again. Now I know, an impulse without confirmation is a trap. Emotion is the worst indicator in the market.
What I appreciate most is a chart that moves patiently and consistently. Price doesn't rush or panic, it simply flows in a steady rhythm. These environments create the cleanest impulses for scalping. The more patient the movement becomes, the safer the entry feels. Flowing markets reward trades who observe instead of forcing.
We will open a trade for a decrease here, a slightly different type of entry. We will open it at the end of this candle. The new candle should give an impulse downward. I will explain why. We have an upward dynamic, but overall we can see that in this area right here, during the previous crossovers, the movement went much lower than it does here. Therefore, we are also opening a trade for a decrease. We can see the crossover of our moving average, and we will wait for the movement to go downward. It would be a mistake to open a buy trade here because we had the first crossover, and then, as often happens, the price gave a small back. And many might make a mistake at this moment, but the correct entry here is for a decrease. And as you can see, our trade closes in profit again.
Today, I saw buyers lose strength at the top of a range. The candles got shorter, the rhythm slower, a sign of fading pressure. I flipped to the short side with tight control. The next few candles confirmed the shift. Sometimes direction whispers before it shouts. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.